Do you want to turn your PowerPoint slides into a video you can share anywhere? It's actually really easy. Let me show you how to export it as an MP4. First, open your presentation in Microsoft PowerPoint. Make sure everything is finalized. Next, click on File in the top left corner, and instead of pressing Save As, go to Export. From here, select Create a Video. This is where you'll convert your slides into an MP4 file. Now choose your video quality. Full HD is usually the best option if you want higher quality and a 16:9 ratio. You can also select Ultra HD 4K for the highest quality and ratio, but for personal preference, I'll choose Full HD. Below that, decide if you want to use recorded timings and narrations. If you didn't record anything, click Don't Use. Next, you can set how many seconds each slide should show. I chose only 5 seconds. Once everything looks good, click Create Video. Pick a fitting name for your video and then choose where you want to save the file, and make sure the format is set to MPEG-4 video. Hit save and PowerPoint will start exporting your video. This might take a few minutes depending on your presentation. And that's it. You've successfully turned your PowerPoint into an MP4 video. You can now upload or share it anywhere you want. If this video helped you, please leave a like and subscribe for more tech tutorials like this.